Last time on No Direction Home. Hopper and I travel from Phoenix to Moab, Utah, where we meet up with some friends to do some dual sport riding and enjoy all the beauty Utah has to offer. So we're here at Onion Creek. Actually, straight that way on that ridge in between those two, and in between those two peaks, those two flat peaks, this one and this one, on that ridge over there, that's where we're camped. So we're actually looking at our campsite up on the top of that ridge. What are you guys gonna go for? Like 12 psi, 10 psi, 10 psi, 12, 11? Okay.
11.
So this is Onion Creek, and they've got camping and stuff all over the place, obviously. You can like just pull in here and camp. The camping looks like it stops here.
Hey, you, what you gonna do with the deep fried new soul? But he always gets more from his friend next door, like the times before, going back to the port domain.
I think there's going to be a lot of small creek crossings. There hasn't been any rain here for the last couple days, but I think there's a lot of creek crossings we'll be coming up on, which will be fun.
Slowly, don't be so great, I got something to say. Slowly, don't be so great, I got something to say.
Beautiful. Yeah! Now we're off-roading.
I hope there will be something deeper.
Good thing you changed the pressure in those tires.
Eating is difficult.
Yeah.
Good.
So how's the riding going?
Well, you know, it's I would prefer paved roads, and actually we were looking for Starbucks today. There was no one, and I'm a little bit disappointed. No shower on the campground.
Shopping.
No shopping.
Yeah.
I thought I'll buy some gifts. drifts.
No mochachinos.
No,
Only
nothing.
this.
So
Only this. What a terrible day.
yeah.
Yeah, we need to find a paved road and get out of here.
Yep. As quickly as possible. Maybe those guys on the Toyota, they can just pick us up and
Yeah. Our trail
maybe
car.
call some services to just take on a box from here.
I agree. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. This sucks. So we're riding Onion Creek in Moab. It's great riding. I mean, dude, it's like when I'm riding it. Kidding? This. It's just amazing. And we got a bunch of like small stream crossings and stuff. It hasn't rained for a few days, so nothing too big. Let's see if I can jump. I'm dropping my phone. No, we're just taking our time, stopping. It's like it reminds me of Hawaii. It's like every time you come around a corner, you're like, holy crap, and you have to like stop and just take beautiful pictures of what you're seeing. We're totally teched out. We got like multiple drones going. Rafael's got like a 360 camera. We got GoPros. This is going to be one of the most well-documented trips I've taken. It's actually really cool to ride with other guys because you just, it's always when you're riding solo, like to be able to spend a couple days riding with other guys is just fun. Just kind of takes the pressure off. You have people to talk to. It's fun. Anyway, on we go. Hopper's having a blast, by the way. Hopper, you good? Yeah, he's good. That's a hell of a view, man. That's crazy. Hey guys.
Hey there.
Who's doing more work? The back. So we decided to take a little bit of a longer route back to our camp. We're actually on this is part of the Utah backcountry discovery route, the Utah BDR. And we saw some riders coming out. We actually saw some people in a Jeep, and it looks like the conditions of this section of the trail are good enough that the boys can do it in the 4Runner. So yeah, it's just a little bit more of a out of the way route back to our camp. Oh, this is a nice little twisty turn. Hell yeah. Looks like fun. The only bad news is that if their brakes fail, you and I are in a bad position. I'm joking. Yeah, they could just miss us and go right over.
Look at this.
Thanks. Thank you. I just didn't want a head-on collision.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Is that the only one?
Yeah.
All right, friend. Saving my life.
Yeah. We had a great day of riding today, and we rode down through Moab and then went to a place called Onion Creek and rode Onion Creek, and then picked up the Utah BDR and rode the Utah BDR. I think all in all we did about close to just like 70 miles, but it was all off-road, all canyon riding. I mean, honestly, just some of the most beautiful riding I've ever done. Just riding in that, what you see behind me, just beautiful. And we ended up in the mountains. Can't really see him right there. We drove through the mountains on the way back to camp. So we're back to camp. We had dinner. We got a fire going, and it's not going to be as cold tonight, I don't think. Windy, but maybe not as cold. So tonight we're just going to hang out, relax, chill out. Tomorrow we're headed to Canyonland to do some more riding. So it's banging so far. Got to keep going. Next time on No Direction Home. My friend Rafal and I head to Canyonland National Park near Moab, where we're going to ride the White Rim Trail, but not before finding a perfect camping spot.